Organic chemistry reactions can be divided into 4 groups. First is addition reaction. Next is elimination reaction. Now we have substitution reaction. And finally we have rearrangement reaction. Let us discuss one by one. So first is addition reaction. So in case of addition reaction, a molecule is added over the reactant. So you have something like this. So you have reactant and some reagent is added. And then finally you have product. For example, hydrogenation is example of addition reaction. So this is alkene. Finally a mole of hydrogen is added. So 1 mole of hydrogen is added over alkene. So this is a addition reaction. We can add bromine, that is bromination. So 1 mole of bromine is added in this reaction. So this is again a addition reaction. We can add water also, that is called hydration. So if I add 1 mole water, so 1 mole of water is added over the alkene. So this is a hydration of alkene, and in this case 1 mole of H2O is added. So this is again a addition reaction. So generally multiple bond, you can have C double bond O and you can have HCN. So we have added CN group and hydrogen plus, that is we have added 1 mole of HCN. So this is again a addition reaction. So generally multiple bond gives addition reaction. Given by compounds that has multiple bond, that is it can have a double bond or it can have a triple bond. Now next is elimination reaction. Now what is elimination reaction? In case of elimination reaction, reactant loses some molecule. So I have a reactant and finally it gives product and a molecule. For example, if I have hydrogen and chlorine here, it can lose 1 molecule of HCl to form alkene. So in this case we have loss of 1 mole of HCl. Similarly, we can lose 1 mole of water, that is called dehydration. And this is called dehydrohalogenation. So we have removed a hydrogen and a halogen. So this is dehydrohalogenation. Now this case, if I lose 1 mole of water, this is called dehydration. So we have removed 1 mole of water. So this is again an elimination reaction. In this case we have loss of 1 mole of water. Similarly, we can lose 1 molecule of bromine. If this compound is treated with zinc, it loses 1 molecule of bromine and it forms alkene. So in this case we have loss of 1 mole of bromine. So this is again an elimination reaction. So you see, in all cases we have lost a molecule. So in this case HCl, in this case H2O, here we have bromine that is lost. So you see, elimination reaction is reverse of addition reaction. In addition reaction we have added. In elimination reaction we have removed. So we can say elimination reaction is reverse of addition reaction. And in this case product has a multiple bond. So elimination reaction generates a compound that has multiple bond. Now next is substitution reaction. So in case of substitution reaction, a atom or a group of atom is replaced by another atom or another group of atom. For example, if I have a halogen and this halogen can be replaced by OH minus. So this is an example of substitution reaction. So a atom or a group of atom is replaced by another atom or another group of atom. Generally substitution reaction is given by alkyl halides or acid derivatives. In some cases this is also given by deactivated benzene rings. So substitution reaction is given by either you can have alkyl halide or you can have deactivated benzene ring. Or you can have acid derivatives. For example, if you see, and this is replaced by NH2 minus, so Cl group is replaced by NH2 group. So in this case, this is a substitution reaction. So this is alkyl halide. So let us say hydrogen and chlorine, and this chlorine can be replaced by OH minus. This is again a substitution reaction. Acid derivative, something like acid chloride, this Cl group is replaced by OH group. So this is again a substitution reaction. You can have a deactivated benzene ring. So benzene contains electron withdrawing groups. So there are 3 electron withdrawing groups, NO2, NO2, and here we also have NO2 group. So ring is deactivated. Now this compound is treated with NH2 minus. So this gives this product. So in this case Cl minus is replaced by NH2 minus. So this is again a substitution reactions. So these are example of substitution reaction. Similarly we can have rearrangement reactions. Now during the rearrangement reactions, what happens? Molecule changes its configuration. Number of atoms is same, number of bonds is same. Only thing is atom changes its position. Or group you can also have. So during rearrangement reactions, atoms or groups changes its position. For example, if you have this a species, so this is a 2-degree carbocation. So this one is a carbon having positive charge. So this is a 2-degree carbocation. Now this carbocation is not very stable, so it can rearrange to give a 3-degree carbocation. So this is a 3-degree carbocation. So this reaction is an example of rearrangement. You see this side we have 3 plus 3, 6 plus 3, 9, 10, 11 hydrogen. This side we also have 11 hydrogen. 3, 3, 6, 3, 9, 10, 11. So we have 11 hydrogen. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon. This side also we have 5 carbon. So this is an example of rearrangement reaction. We can also have something like this. This is again an example of rearrangement reaction. You see this side we have keto group and this side we have alcohol group, that is all, and ene. This is called keto form and this is called enol form. So this is the example of rearrangement. You see we have 3 carbon this side, we have 6 hydrogen and 1 oxygen. We will have same thing this side, we have 3 carbon, 3 plus 2 5 plus 1 6 hydrogen and 1 oxygen. Only thing is position of atom is changed. 1 hydrogen from here is added to oxygen. So there is a position change, replacement of atom. So this is a rearrangement reaction. So basically we have 4 kinds of reactions: addition reaction, elimination reaction, substitution reaction and rearrangement reaction. You can try yourself. Let us say we have 4 questions here and you have to find what class of these reactions belongs. So you have to tell from what class these reactions belong. So this reaction is simply addition. So we have added 1 mole of bromine. So this is addition reaction. And this one is, we have removed 1 mole of HCl. So this is elimination. Now this reaction is simply rearrangement. So we have added CH3 here and hydrogen is here, and this is added to oxygen. So this is simply rearrangement. So this reaction is example of rearrangement. Now this reaction is substitution. So we have substituted OH group in place of Cl group. So this is substitution. So this is all about 4 kinds of reactions.